Good morning and welcome in the e-learning classes of St. Michael's Academy Bethian. Students, myself Dr. Janendra and we have the topic coordination, the essence of management. It is the third video or third part of the coordination topic. In the previous two topics, we talked about the meaning, definition and characteristics of the coordination. Students, according to the modern managerial experts, coordination is not a separate function of management, it is the essence of management. Coordination forms a major part of all the functions of management, and no one function of management can be successfully performed without the proper coordination. So, coordination is called the essence of management. We can describe it in the essence of management by the following topics. First, why coordination is the essence of management? Coordination is the essence of management because first, coordination is needed to perform all the functions of management. Coordination is needed to perform all the functions of management. In this first point, we will make the following points. First, coordination and planning. Students, coordination is needed to perform all the functions of management. Without the proper coordination, no one function can be successfully performed by the managers. It remains with all the functions, and managers are always busy to make a proper coordination. First point, we take coordination and planning. Coordination is needed while performing the planning functions. When managers perform the planning function, coordination is needed between the objectives of organization and the resources of organization. Proper coordination is needed between the resources of organization, available resources of organization, and the objectives of organization. Second, coordination and organizing coordination and organizing. Coordination is needed to perform the organizing function. If there is no proper coordination among the different departments, different sections of the organization, the group goal can't be achieved, the organization function can't be success. Third, coordination and staffing. During the staffing function, coordination is needed. Coordination is needed between the required skill and the ability of the individual who is selected to perform the job. Here coordination is needed, and without coordination it will not be success. Coordination and directive. While performing the directing function, coordination is needed. Coordination is needed to make a proper coordination between the superiors and the subordinates. Coordination and controlling. Coordination is also needed at the fifth function of management, controlling, to get the end result fruitful. Without the proper coordination, controlling can't be successful. In this way, we see that coordination is needed to perform all the functions of management. Now we take the second topic, why coordination is called the essence of management. Second point is that coordination is needed all levels of management. Coordination is needed at all levels of management, whether top level, middle level, or lower level. We make three different points. Coordination is needed at all level of management. It is performed by all the managers of an organization. Top level management make a proper coordination between the among the all activities of organization, keeping the view of the common objective. Middle level make the proper coordination between the top and lower level make a proper coordination between the workers and the middle level. In this way, we see that coordination is the essence of management. Now watch the next video.